Hi everyone, this is Richard, and in this tutorial we will demonstrate how you can turn on the screen share of a presenter or a attendee. First step, you type here in the chat box a @ and then we will see all the attendees inside your seminar room. In addition, you can click on this icon here, which will do the same. However, by typing @ you're gonna be able to filter the person that you are looking for to turn on the screen share or any other control that you like. Once we find here Joseph, for example, we just click here on the screen share icon, and as you can see here, the red icon turns to a gray one, which means now Joseph is allowed to share his screen. And as you can see, once Joseph turns on his screen, now the icon turns to yellow. It's important to mention that by using the screen share feature, you have 3 states. The first one is off, which is the red one. The second one is the gray, which pretty much we are allowing the person to share the screen. And the third state is yellow, which means on. And right now, as we can see, Joseph is effectively sharing his screen. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we see you in the next one.